Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my journey and experiences with you. You can follow along on this journey by hitting that like and subscribe button, and please do leave a comment to share your views. Today we will be making these very simple 3 round flowers. Remember, I'm not counting the starting chain, just 1, 2, 3, these 3 rounds. I have already made them in acrylic and cotton, and you can see the difference. This cotton yarn is quite small as compared to this medium weight acrylic yarn. I don't know why I don't measure it. So in inches it's just 3 inches, and in centimeters it would be around 8 centimeters, and this one is at its widest point 4 inches, and in centimeters that would be 11. So for the video I'm going to use my favorite red cotton yarn, and for the center I'll be using the same green. Let's start our flower. If you want, you can make all of your flower in one color, monochrome like I have made here, or in 2 or 3 colors depending upon your choice. I'm sure it will look equally good if you make this second round in a contrasting color, but I'll be using just my favorite wine red. So starting chain is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One other thing, I'm using an even smaller hook than I normally use for this yarn, because I want to make my flower even more smaller than this 3 inches. We'll start the first round by making a chain of 3, then 1 more, so in total we have made 4 chains, and next we will make 1 double crochet in the chain 5 space, then 1 chain and next double crochet. So in total we will make 12 chains and 12 double crochets, and we are counting our first 3 chains as 1 double crochet. Remember to crochet above that starting tail as well. I have made so far 5, and I'll finish my circle and then join you. After making my 12 double crochets, I have made my 1 chain, and then I will join with the first 3 chain. So this is our first round. I'll cut my yarn and secure my tail end. Just slip stitch a couple of times and tighten it. So this is our first round. Now we will start using our color. Next round is equally easy, in fact not more easy. So I am starting with the slip knot, and anywhere in the circle in chain 1 space make your chain 3. 1, 2 and 3, then chain 2 more, 1 and 2. Now in the next chain 1 space make your double crochet. Now chain 2, and in next space make your double crochets. So in the first round we were making 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Now we are making 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Let's continue. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, After making my last double crochet, I'll make 2 chains and join with the first chain 3. Remember to leave your 2 chains okay. To start next round, I will make 1 single crochet in this chain 2 space, and then I will make my first double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Then I'll make my 1 chain and my next double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Chain 1 and third double crochet, chain 1 and fourth double crochet, chain 1 and fifth double crochet. So in total we made 4 chains and 5 double crochets. Now you will make 1 single crochet, attach or anchor this petal, this fan, with 1 single crochet in the next chain 2 space, and in this next chain 2 space you will start making your petal again by first making 1 double crochet, then chain 1. So remember, 5 double crochets and 4 chains. So 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. That's my third double crochet, third chain, fourth double crochet, fourth chain, and that's my fifth double crochet. I will now make a single crochet in the next chain 2 space, and again make my double crochet in the next round. So in this way I'll finish my flower. After making your 5 double crochet and chain 1, repeat your final petal. We made 1 single crochet, started this round with 1 single crochet, so we will slip stitch in it, and in this way our flower is complete. If you are planning to use this flower as a bookmark, then of course you will make your stem here, or you can even attach at the back side. Here is our flower garden, 2 in acrylic of 2 different sizes and 2 in cotton yarn. But the difference in cotton yarn is that I have used much smaller crochet hook. I hope you will have fun making these flowers, bookmarks, and do leave a comment what color you will be using, and I will see you next time with a new project. Till then, take care.